Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom worldwide. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, a dedicated media platform for the indigenous people of Biafra, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Breaking news. The activist Outrage accuses Mr. Tinubu of hypocrisy for granting pardons on October 9, 2025, to 175 individuals, including corrupt ex-lawmaker Farouk Lawan, a life-sentenced cocaine trafficker, and posthumous ones to nationalists like Herbert Macaulay and Nnamdi Azikiwe, while disregarding multiple court rulings ordering the release of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, detained since 2021 on separatism charges. The pardons, approved by Nigeria's Council of State, comprised 82 full clemencies, 65 sentence reductions, and 7 death sentence commutations, aiming at rehabilitation but sparking debate over selective mercy favoring political allies over justice seekers. The activist Outrage wrote on his X handle, known as Twitter, as follows. Today, President Bola Tinubu extended pardons to a long list of convicted individuals, including a cocaine trafficker serving a life sentence, an alleged coup plotter, Maman Vatsa, the late Nnamdi Azikiwe and Herbert Macaulay, and even Farouk Lawan, the former lawmaker convicted for taking bribes on tape. He also pardoned other known fraudsters and corrupt politicians. Yet, in all of this, Tinubu refuses even to consider the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has been unjustly detained for years despite multiple court orders mandating his freedom. It is a glaring hypocrisy. Criminals and political thieves are forgiven, celebrated, and rehabilitated, while a man demanding self-determination and justice remains behind bars and tossed around in courts with the pretense that somehow it is about law. #FreeMazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV and see you shortly.